on this old dog. I never really talked about the EAG doors. I opted for better hardware so that you can get a wrench. I mean, you don't really need me to figure out how to put these things on. There's your stock door hinge. Horrible first weld, but that's okay. It's holding even after four-wheeling. But let me pan out a little bit. The stock stuff, or the stuff that EAG sends you from China, is real soft. So when you go to tighten up those Allen heads, and you're going to get frustrated at yourself. It's just better to upgrade to stainless steel hardware. So, but they've come out really good. This one here, because of that door, this isn't an EAG fault. You got to lift that one a little bit. There you go. So 4 bolts, man. Boom, boom. Simple. Lines right up. Watch. That's, no issues with the brackets there. Again, that bracket had to be welded. You can kind of see this panel's a little bit buckled in the front, had some damage. So right there. So not EAG's fault. The mirrors on the EAG doors, they pivot, they go outward, they go inward. So really nice install. I got too many projects. Anybody's got an old Jeep Cherokee, you know already that there's the bolts inside you got to tighten up. Hey, check it out. There is the drink holder. So now we got 4 drink holders. Got my stickers on finally too. Bought these when I was a kid. Every one of these stickers. Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Sun's really in my way. Look at the old man staring back at me. But Missouri, Atlanta Underground. It's pretty cool when I was a kid. Alabama, Louisiana, Mississippi, Arkansas, or Arkansas when I was a kid, so I could pass spelling. Washington, D.C. That's where I saw the Lincoln Memorial. Been to Colorado. We got into a flood up there years ago, me and my sister, my family. Harper's Ferry, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, Oklahoma, and Kansas. So, did I say Mississippi? So, been around a lot when I was a kid. There's the new Wranglers. Love them. They did great four-wheeling, by the way. Goodyear Wranglers. If you like the looks on them, they're 31 by 10.5 R15 LTs. So that's them. And they look good with the stock wheels, not getting fancy on it. I mean, look at those things. Patina. Nostalgia. Little tight on that one. So ice cream truck came by for the kids, so I hawked the ice cream truck down. I was like, come on. Kids will remember that than anything. And there's the other one. I mean, it's just really a simple install. I would say get them. They held up after wheeling. This is the fenders that we painted. Came out pretty good, man. I know a lot of people have this stuff on their old 88s and stuff. That delamination, the glue. So I'm going to take a black strip I've seen guys do and run across there. So getting ready to work with a company here locally. Met them on Ridge Riders. They're going to do the C-HEEP Jerokee. And I came up with an idea on the back to get people to follow. To get our 1,000 subs, we're giving that boat away. I know what you're thinking. Crazy. Traded a tube for it. An inner tube. We're going to take the Stone Solid Productions logo and put back there. And I think I'm going to put in there something across the line that says, since you're following us anyways, you may as well follow us on Facebook, or follow the build on, not Facebook, follow the build on YouTube. So, yeah, this is, it's all coming out pretty good.